Hello everyone, today we will talk about wireless communication. Nowadays people needs wireless network everywhere. And in this video we will show you some new technology which can make the wireless network more pervasive. This video is adapted from IEEE Wireless Communication magazine. This is the title of the paper. And these are the authors. Here are some details of publication. Okay, now, it's time to catch my flight to Paris.
Preview.
Sawadika. Ready to take off for the conference in Paris?
Ni hao. Definitely, but I still have to clear some mails. I need the internet.
Do you know about WiMAX? What is WiMAX? It is a wireless communication standard designed to provide speed up to 1 gigabit per second. In particular, Eurocontrol and ICAO identified a WiMAX-based technology for communications on the airport surface.
What's the name of that technology?
It is named Aeronautical Mobile Airport Communication System, AeroMAX. It guarantees interoperability between vendors and the network.
Yes, I heard about AeroMAX too. It forms the future air traffic management communication system. It needs the support of a novel broadband communication structure. Satellite base and ground control center can communicate with each other through the ground network. Satellite base can also communicate with space satellite through their dedicated network, which is called satellite links. For space satellite, it will exchange information with all on-flight planes through their own lines. In the air, all planes can communicate with each other through the air-to-air links. Planes on flight also can exchange information with control centers with air-to-ground links. AeroMAX uses all-IP communication network. It supports high-rate packet-switched air traffic control. It also devotes to guarantee efficient and safe management.
There is much more to share. Let's board the plane and we can discuss further. Do you know the difference between AeroMAX and WiMAX? AeroMAX is actually a subset of WiMAX. Frequency bandwidth for AeroMAX is only 5 MHz. Soft procedure is used for frequent handover, which is not needed by AeroMAX. Sleep is useful for battery saving, which could be simply achieved by idle mode. The AeroMAX physical layer is based on orthogonal frequency division multiple access. It is a multi-layer technique that has the capability of mitigating frequency-dependent distortions and simplifying the equalization in a multi-path fading environment.
Let me introduce the MAC layer of AeroMAX to you. Convergent sublayer is used to map external data from upper layer into appropriate service data units. Common port sublayer is responsible for all the MAC-specific functionalities, resource allocation, connection establishment, and QoS management. Security sublayer provides authentication, key exchange, and encryption in order to allow secure communications and prevent malicious intrusions in the network.
Benjo. I overheard your conversation in the plane and would like to point out some issues regarding AeroMAX. The accomplishment of a handover procedure is a critical issue that must be carefully investigated in airport scenarios. The decision to start the handover procedure is made by the base station. Base station sends the scanning request to the mobile station. This request is sent in an unsolicited manner and contains all the parameters useful for scanning, for example, scanning interval, report mode, report period, first scanning frame. The mobile station performs the scanning and then sends the results report back to the base station. So the decision to start the handover procedure is made by the base station.
As you mentioned just now, is there any security issue in AeroMAX?
Physical and MAC data are only partially encrypted.
So how can we improve the security of AeroMAX?
In order to improve security, good network topology or security policies are needed. It was a nice chat. Hope to see you soon.
See you!